Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am so excited because Melodysusie sent me their newest gel nail polish collection, and I believe this is called their Say Cheers gel polish set. And look at the packaging, it is really beautiful. I don't know if I am going to be able to throw this box because it is really super gorgeous. So when you open the box, you are going to see some manuals, and it's written here the step-by-step process on how to apply gel polish. So when you open the box, you will be getting 24 colors and 4 other gel products. So the 4 other products is 2 top coats. One is the regular shiny top coat, and the one is their matte top coat. And for the other 2, I am shocked because you will be getting 2 base coat, which is amazing. So for the colors, you will be getting 5 ml of products, and the colors are on top of the bottle. So these are the color indicator, and there are like numbers on top of it. So yeah, it is super nice. Look at the consistency of the gel products. It is super nice. It is also creamy and it is not liquidy, so it is a very nice consistency. So I already swatched all the colors so I can show it to you. My nails are now ready. I already applied the UNT peel base, and it's now time to apply the base coat. So I'm just going to apply this one and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. After that, I am now going to apply the first color. This one is G329. It is a shimmery indigo blue color. It is really super gorgeous. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but it has like a silver shimmer into it. I'm just going to use this Triple D fine liner brush to help me apply the gel polish on the near the cuticle area. This is my first layer, and as you can see, the color is really opaque and full coverage. And I'm just going to add another layer so that it is even, because there are some that I missed. After I applied the second layer, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. after curing, I decided to top coat it already because I am doing nail art later and I don't want to ruin the design. So just to make sure, I am going to apply top coat and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I already applied all the colors on my 3 nails, and I'm just going to show you the nail art. So let me just apply the base coat first on my 2 nails and then cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. After I did that, I am going to start with the nail art. And I will be applying this white gel polish that came with the kit, and will be applying it on my ring finger and middle. So I am really impressed with the quality of this gel polish. As you can see, that is just 1 layer and the colors is really full coverage and it's not streaky. It is super easy to apply. So I'm just going to cure this in the lamp, just to flash cure it for about 15 seconds. And I'm now going to apply the second layer. I already applied the same white gel polish on my other nail, and let's now begin with the nail art. So I'm just going to apply gel polish again so that the nail art or the product on top of this white color will have something to adhere to, and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to take the same blue color that I use and just dump some products here in the mixing plate. So after that, I'm now going to use the dotting tool to kind of swirl it, but be careful when swirling so that you don't like super mix the products. Then using a flat brush, I'm just trying to scoop it out like a spatula. So you want to use a very flat brush, and then I am just going to lay the product. I'm actually not like brushing it. I am just gently letting the product float, and yeah. So I have to be fast because the product is dripping, and make sure to clean those on the sides before you fully cure it. So after that, I'm just going to do the same design on my middle finger. So now I am just taking this fine liner brush again and the dark blue color to kind of add some dimension. So I'm just adding it there, but make sure to swirl it and blend it so that there are no harsh colors or lines. So after cleaning the sides, I am now going to fully cure it in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And then after curing, I am just going to add these gold foils to add some accent. You can actually apply gel base first before you apply your foils so that the foils will stick. So after I put the foils, I'm now going to apply gel top coat and cure it in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. So now that my nails are fully cured, I am now going to shape my nails. I'm just going to slightly file the sides. So after filing and shaping, I am just going to wash my hands, and this is after that. I decided to add this like rhinestones on my thumb just to add accent, but I already did that off cam, and I am just going to apply first the cuticle oil, and we are almost done. So this is the finished look. I really love how this mani turned out. So if you want to purchase this set, I will be putting the link in the description box, and you can use my code jesseyk for 12% off for this kit. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye guys!